Hi friends, I am Rijo. Today we are just plan to cover the topic Microsoft Intune Quality Update configuration. In the previous chapter, we discussed about the future update, how to we can configure the future update. So we will go for our learning objective today. Quality update in Microsoft Intune concept and Expedite Windows quality update and quality update prerequisites and demo how to we can configure the quality update. We will go for our learning objective. So first we will discuss about quality update in the Microsoft Intune concept. So here you can see I already configure my update ring, future update and quality update, and also I put the defer period 7 days. So what is a quality update? Microsoft will be implement the monthly patching for the every second week of the Tuesday. So this quality update you put the defer period 7 days. So in some case in the Microsoft will be identify the system vulnerability, so they will give the second patching of the your device. This update security update, this critical security update from the Microsoft side, you need to implementally update from the your system. So here you can see your critical security update will be coming from your Microsoft update Intune update ring. So already you put the quality update defer period is equal to 7 days. So once this update will be received from the each device, quality update received from the after the 7 days, so it will be get the system vulnerability. System we need to able to immediate update this Microsoft's critical security update. So how to we can implement? So Microsoft Intune portal you can create for the Expedite policy configuration. So in the quality update, so in the quality update, once you implement the Expedite policy configuration, you can see here the critical security update from the Microsoft receive immediately without the defer period. So once you implement this policy, quality update Expedite policy, the security update will be immediately coming without looking for the 7 days the defer period. So now you understand the concept of the quality update Expedite policy config. We will go for the deep description. So Expedite Windows quality update, this feature used to deploy the critical update quickly, and Expedite update can deployed without pausing or editing your regularly monthly update. So you no need to alter your update rings. Expedite an update is override any defer policy, ensuring that update is installed as soon as possible in the targeted devices. So you can, once you implement Expedite update policy, the system will be immediately receive the update. Currently only specific Windows security update can Expedite. So this is important. Only you can Expedite for the Windows security update. Expedite update are not recommended for the normal monthly quality updating service, and it will not support for the beta and developer channel and not support for the Expedite update. So we will discuss for the quality update whatever the prerequisites need for the quality update. So once there are licensing Windows 10 OS editions and devices. So first we will go for the licensing. There are Windows 10, 11, Enterprise E3 or E5, 365 F3, E3 or E5, and Windows 10 or 11 educations or A5 including Microsoft 365 A3 and A5, and Windows Virtual Desktop Access A3 or A5, and also Microsoft 365 Business Premium. Next we will go for the Windows 10 11 edition OS edition, Professional, Enterprise, Educations and Pro Educations and Pro Workstations. Next we will check the what are the device needed to do the connectivity. Enroll in Microsoft Intune MDM, so the device must be enrolled in the MDM, and Microsoft Intra joint devices and Microsoft Intra hybrid joint devices. So this MDM and Microsoft Intra joint device and Microsoft Intra hybrid joint device support for the quality update. But you can see here not support for the intra registered device or workplace joint device, not support for the quality update. So we will go for device setting, await or configuration that can block installation of the Expedite update. So once you configure the quality update, some case the quality update will be blocked, Expedite update will be blocked. So you need to implement this type of setting will be just noticed. So pre-release build not configure, and automatic update behavior reset to default, and notification update level not use, turn off all notification including the restart warning. So now we will go for our Microsoft Intune. So we will discuss how we can implement the quality update. Now we reach the Intune portal. So we need to implement our quality update. So just first we will go for the devices. Then after that we choose our platform Windows. Then after that you just go for the manage the Windows update. Just click the Windows update. Then here you can see the quality update. So we need to create the quality update Expedite policy. So before going to the quality update, you can see the update ring. So I just click the update ring previously created. So here you can see we implement our quality update defer period 10 days. So any critical emergency update coming from the Microsoft side, it will be differ from the 10 days. So we need to implement for the quality update for the without the defer period for the emergency update. So just I will go for again the quality update. So just click the quality update. Then after that Expedite policy just create. So we will quality update December. Okay, so just we just copy that same description. So after that you can see here Expedite installation of quality update if device OS version is less than. You can see here there are two security update currently available. This is monthly security patching from the Microsoft side. So whatever the patching will be coming here will be in the drop down will be display for that one. So currently here 11th month and 12th month and you can see with the B, this is the B is represent for the monthly security update. So if another will be coming for the another letter like a D, something like this one. So currently we need to implement. So you can see here Expedite installation quality update if device OS version less than. Once you choose from the 11/12/2024, they will check for the below the configuration for the 11/12/2024. So if any device the security update 11/12/2000 below the 11/12/2024, they will be implement for your quality update policy. So now I just go for the 11/12/2024 our security update for the Windows 10 and later. Then after the number of days wait before the restart. If you put the 0 days, that will be immediately restart your system. If you put 1 day, they will give the notification for the your devices. The restart will be going to enforce. You can choose whatever the current situation in your organization, 1 day or 0 day. So I just to go for the 1 day. Then I will just click next. So here you need to include your group. So whatever the group you want to implement this quality Expedite policy. So I just select my group. The group only support for the device group only. So I just go for the Intune device. Then select. Then after that we just click next. Then after that you need to create your policy. So now you understand how to we can implement our quality update Expedite policy. So after you will implement your quality update Expedite policy, you can click here. You can get your complete details and property. You can edit also this quality update. So just I will now you understand how to we can create for the quality update policy. So after you create, you want to see your report for your quality update. You just go for the report. Then after that you can go for the Windows update. Here you just choose the Windows report. Then you can see here Windows Expedite update. Just click. You can see here all the report information, all the information device and everything. You can show from the here. And also you can go for the device. You can also monitor your Expedite policy. You can go feature update. You can see here Expedite quality update policy with alert policy. Which one more the Windows device? You can just click this one. You can get the all the device policy and device with errors and release date. All the information also you will get. So now you understand how to we can implement the quality update Expedite policy. Thus I will wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.